Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the room: gloves, goggles, dust mask, and a drop cloth. Score the wallpaper with a utility knife and a scorer so liquids penetrate the adhesive. This speeds removal and prevents excessive scrubbing. Once done, apply warm water mixed with a commercial stripper or 1-to-1 vinegar, letting the solution soak for 10 to 15 minutes. The goal is to loosen adhesive bonds without soaking the concrete, which can trap moisture. Once the adhesive softens, you scrape with a 3 to 4 inch putty knife at a shallow angle to protect the concrete surface. Controlled strokes remove paper and residual paste. Make sure to work in 2 to 4 foot sections so adhesive doesn't dry between passes. When residue resists, reapply solution and wait a few minutes. After scraping all areas, scuff the wall with a stiff brush to lift remaining bits, and rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove solid. You finish by letting the concrete dry completely, typically 24 to 48 hours. Positioning a fan and dehumidifier will speed this and prevent trapped moisture. If stubborn adhesive remains, apply a diluted TSB solution or a commercial adhesive remover sparingly, then rinse and dry again. Test a small area first to avoid etching. Make sure to inspect for surface damage and patch any pits with a cement patch. Once cured, prime before painting for a durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.